Did you know that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, thinks the Model S is his favorite vehicle in the lineup? If you're not interested in that, you might be in the new Tesla Cybertruck. Do you intend to purchase a new electric truck, or are you still using gas-powered trucks? The Cybertruck is an automobile for you and a lucrative product the EV industry has long been waiting for, despite its futuristic design straight out of that science fiction film. See if the Cybertruck will alter the course of events with Tesla stocks. In 2019, Musk unveiled the Cybertruck, revealing that the developer had broken the vehicle's allegedly unbreakable armor glass windows. Since then, the company has pushed back the start of production by 3 times, from late 2021 to late 2022, then to early 2023, and most likely to mid-2023. With the launch of the Cybertruck, Tesla will have an electric vehicle competitor in one of the most lucrative markets in the United States, taking on established electric pickups from companies like Ford Motor Company and Rivian Automotive that are still available in small quantities. In January, Musk stated that the Cybertruck's launch would be postponed until 2023 due to issues with procuring components. Tesla stopped taking orders for the Cybertruck outside of North America in May. Musk disclosed that 3 years after Cybertruck production started, the company had more orders than it could fill. Manufacturers frequently introduce a steady increase in manufacturing for brand new cars like the Cybertruck. A weaker global economy, according to critics, will start to affect Tesla's sales, as the company has so far been able to sell every vehicle it produces. Musk predicted that a recession would not end until the spring of 2024. In a post, Hydra Group, the Italian company that makes the Giga Press, which would be used to die-cast parts for the Cybertruck, stated that a 9,000-ton machine for producing truck parts was loaded and prepared for delivery. Tesla was not named in the post. Tesla has been able to reduce the cost and complexity of producing the Model Y by using the Giga Press. Since Tesla revealed its Cybertruck possibilities, the electric automaker's shares have been rising, and traders are placing bets that the rise will continue to accelerate. Tesla has risen 74% over the last 6 months, breaking into positive territory for the year and getting close to highs not seen since last December, even if the company ended the day in the red. Between now and the close, the options market is projecting a change in Tesla shares of roughly 3.7%. According to Michael Kao, president of Optimize Advisors, that is a larger range than the stock has seen in recent trading days. Of those, more than 10,500 were traded at an average price of almost $5. Those who purchase those calls are obviously betting that the stock will climb over that strike price of $360 by at least the $5 that they paid, according to Kyo. Options traders can't stop drooling over this new product's intriguing mystery alone. There's a good reason why enthusiasts of Elon Musk's manufacturer and options traders may be justifiably excited about this specific new car. Light-duty truck sales seem to be one potential area that might drive Tesla shares higher or lower. I'm Sierra DeCal, and it's undeniably the most lucrative segment of the U.S. vehicle business. When last registered, Tesla shares were up almost 2%. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, recently pledged to deliver on a number of his promises, including building the eagerly anticipated Cybertruck and appointing a successor to Twitter's chief executive. Investors will probably have to wait until Musk reveals his plan to increase the company's sales of electric vehicles. Investor and Tesla bull Gary Black projects 10,000 truck deliveries in 2023 as part of his total 1.9 million delivery prediction. Black predicts that Tesla will begin delivering Cybertrucks in late 2023. Musk has stated that after years of waiting, the Cybertruck may finally be ready for production, with trucks going on sale to customers by the middle or end of 2023. In Austin, Texas, the Tesla factory will start producing cars in June. The Cybertruck's principal vehicle designer, Franz von Holzhausen, has just leaked a few details and teases some exciting news. Fans of Cybertruck are reassured by von Holzhausen that the design is finished. On the Ride the Lightning podcast with Ryan McCaffrey, he was asked, "Is the Cybertruck finished from a design perspective?" At a Los Angeles promotional event in November 2019, Musk revealed the electric pickup prototype. Up to 500 miles of electric range, a maximum towing capacity of 14,000 pounds, and a starting price around $40,000 US are all promised by the Tesla Cybertruck. 5 days following the Cybertruck's unveiling, Musk said on November 24, 2019, that Tesla has already received at least 187,000 orders for the truck. Musk has concentrated on boosting Twitter's earnings since purchasing the social media business for $44.6 billion USD. Investors in Tesla want the billionaire to concentrate on growing the EV company's sales. Musk declared in 2022 that he would leave his position as Twitter CEO as soon as he found a successor. As of January 17th, Tesla makes up 9.2% of Black's Future Fund Active ETF, FND. The EV manufacturer, according to him, had a dismal fourth quarter due to low production output from its Chinese factory and Twitter channel. He wants to know and is going to name Twitter's CEO. According to Black, the Future Fund ETF, which debuted in August 2021, purchased additional Tesla shares last week at a price of $105 USD each, though Black withheld the precise quantity of shares. Despite worries that Musk concentrated only on Twitter after taking the firm private in October when Tesla's favorability declined, he claimed that the company's reputation had not suffered. According to Black, Musk stopped tweeting his conservative views. Elon is a smart guy and learned to stop tweeting more conservative views, he said. You don't want your more conservative opinions to negatively affect your brand, particularly if your consumer franchise is over-indexed to Democrats who support climate change. They find it annoying. Tom Zhu, the chief executive of Tesla's China division, was elevated to oversee the company's North American and European sales activities, as well as its U.S. manufacturing facility, as reported by Reuters. Black continued, Zhu is highly regarded and built a great business in China. It will be interesting to watch how he manages the American division. Tesla missed its delivery goal for 2022, and in response, Musk drastically lowered the cost of its two flagship models, the Model Lumi SUV and the entry-level Model 3 Sedan, which account for 95% of the company's deliveries in 2022. There is a 6 to 20% price reduction, and both models qualify for the newly introduced $7,500 federal tax credit in the United States. Black stated that despite the short-term impact on profit margins, the price cuts were important. They had to do something to get volume growth, he stated. It's difficult to determine if they were excessive. They have to take action. Zhu's influence may be seen in both the Chinese and American pricing reductions, according to Black. Zhu's position as Tesla's second most prominent executive is advantageous to the business. He stated that, presuming he can accomplish the same in the United States, his record speaks for itself. Musk ought to concentrate on Tesla, as the company's stock fell by 65% in 2022. Tesla had free cash flow of USD $9 billion. According to Black, who has a price target of $370 USD in 12 months, data demonstrating that the impact of the Twitter transaction did not negatively affect Tesla's brand might increase the company's valuation. Sales would increase if it were clear whether Tesla planned to build gigafactories in nations like Mexico. Let's say their goal is to sell 10 million cars a year by 2030. Then, since the Fremont facility produces only 600,000 vehicles annually, and the plants in Berlin and Austin produce 250,000 each, they require 10 gigafactories that can produce 1 million automobiles apiece. He said that if 5,000 Tesla Megapacks or battery storage units were sold for 50 cents each, an extra $2 billion in profit could be made each year. He also mentioned that the Megapacks are meant to be supplied to utilities, and that the Megapack manufacturing facilities in Lathrop, California, went online in the third quarter. Tesla's stock fell as much as 8% as investors seemed dissatisfied with Elon Musk's lack of information regarding the upcoming models, particularly his earlier declaration that the company wants to produce a car for $25,000. The company's market capitalization was reduced by roughly $50 billion USD as a result of investors' lackluster response to Musk's remarks. The company's yearly unit volume has increased by more than 5 times, and its market capitalization has increased by roughly 10 times since then. Furthermore, Tesla was still scaling up at the Shanghai factory and had only started to gene.